this up. All this stuff can stay on forever. Alright, taking these apart, clothesline, and then that's the hub right there. First one off, cold side. First hose off, I'll just let it leak on the ground. I'm gonna put all this up. Then we're gonna take the hot side off. It's too hard sometimes, yeah. It's too hard sometimes. Spray some ADW on there. Just take your time. You don't want to break the fitting. You break the fitting, and it's all bad. You can get a little longer than what you want to be in here for. Feel me? Here. This to this. This in here with this. Good. All right, you guys. I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna move this outside. there. Another 25. This one costs more. It is what it is. Alright, we're gonna open this bag to put the fittings on. One, two, three, four. Cuckoo. Grab the cold one first. You go like pressure. Released. I wonder. These come out. I'll be right back, you guys. Right back. Check something. All right, you guys. Good. I put one of those things already in. Boom. Make sure it's tight, but don't over tighten the fitting because you'll break it. Who's that? What's up?
I'm behind you.
Yeah, I heard you. This the yellow. I mean, this is not the yellow, but the hot. This is the hot fitting right here. So make sure. Outside. Feel me? Make sure you put those in there. The gasket, make sure you put gaskets in there. And if you are just replacing the lines, make sure you put new gaskets in because the old gaskets, they have sediment in it, mildew, they disintegrate. So you want to make sure you got new gaskets. Hopefully you guys can hear me, man. Yeah. Sure. Put this on the bottom. So you put this on the bottom first. just came out. Took that off. Good. So that's a good sign it holds water. So now, take this out here. Up. Up to up. My channels. You dig me? Give you some channel locks around, man, just in case. It's the code. I hear the code. Code line. All of these back here too, the fittings, the actual water fittings, they gotta get changed out eventually. But certain things I don't really know how to do all the way yet, so you gotta be a professional. You gotta be a professional to come do it. in there. That should help you right back. Put my knife up real quick. Alright, you guys. Last piece right here to put in. I'm gonna see something right quick. I have to change. I have to change the price. Price of the meat might change. So, this right here is the coin box for the machine. Right here. I'll put that in. Cool. That's in there. Check the top of this right here. Not really too much in here. Tape on here, on that wire, to hold that. But yeah, that's pretty much that, you guys. Install it. Now I just gotta go turn the water back on. Everything should be good. Where's my thing to test if there's any power? Right here. Take this. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. Take this right here. Make sure you put it on 10. Check to see if the power is running. Put that in there. Put these in here. Check to see if I have any power. Look, I don't have no power. It's up, but hold on. It looks like there's no power. Yeah. See if there's any. There's power right here, though, for sure. Okay. precisely. Cross your T's and dot your I's, man. You feel me? Pay attention to what you're doing and don't rush. Even if it take you a couple days, as long as you did it the right way. You feel me? Even if you gotta go backtrack, do things neatly and keep tabs on what you're doing so you don't get lost. Pay attention. Even sometimes you might have to video record what you're doing or take a picture of certain parts when you're disabling it or taking it apart, and then take pictures again while you put it apart so you can remember. You feel me? And after a while, everything becomes repetition. You feel me? It is what it is, man. Ain't nothing too easy, ain't nothing too hard, man. You feel me? Everything's kind of in the middle on the cusp. You just gotta apply yourself. That's it, man. You feel me? A lot of stuff I do, I just, whatever. You feel me? I'm just doing it because I just read instructions, I pay attention, and I know the basics. You feel me? So, that's all that is, you guys. We're gonna turn this water back on. Let's go ahead. Time to hit the lotto. Turn that water back on, we're gonna see what's cracking. You dig? Man, this thing's so long-winded. Oh my God. I could've went to Vegas and came back. This is incredible. You feel me? I just gotta put this piece of wall back. You feel me? We just cut it left like that. It's like, come on, bro. It is what it is. More work for me to do, you dig? And yeah, that's it. They just broke this one, but it's a part in there that I don't know how to fix. So the dude, he came out yesterday and he looked at it. He ordered the part for us. But yeah, for the most part, all the dryers are good, working good. The brand new dryer's down there. The brand new washer's down there. Feel me? I hope these people take care of this stuff and just enjoy it. But you got to take care of your things, man. As a community, as a whole. You feel me? But that's it, you guys. You feel me? A little quick washer install. Nothing too hard. You feel me? Nothing strenuous. Just a couple little minor details just to get you rolling and bowling. You dig?